How to download HDFC loan statement. First of all, head to the official HDFC Bank website, hover over the Borrow tab and select Manage your loan account from the drop-down menu. Next, click on the login process option. If you have a saving or current account with HDFC Bank, you can directly go to the register or login link. If not, click on the Click here to login option and then select Register now. Now, create a user ID. You can also use your PAN card number as your user ID. Then, enter your loan application number in the loan account number field. After that, select your date of birth from the calendar provided. Next, enter the amount of your last EMI payment. If you are unsure of this amount, you can use an EMI calculator to find it before entering. Once you submit these details, an OTP will be sent to your registered mobile number. Verify the OTP and create a secure password using a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. After completing registration, go to the login page and enter your user ID and password to log in. Once logged in, accept the security pop-up and continue. On your dashboard, you will see your loan amount. Click on it to view the loan summary. Below that, click on the statement option. The current year's loan statement will start downloading automatically. After the download completes, a button will appear allowing you to save the file. If you want to download older statements, select the custom date range. Keep in mind, you can download statements for up to 2 years at a time, so choose your dates accordingly. You can also download your repayment schedule, welcome letter, and interest certificate from the options available on the right side of the page. And that's it. Now you know how to download your HDFC loan statement. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more banking tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.